all these sums are related with the first term of grade 9. So why I am doing these sums again and again? Don't forget, just when you do sums again and again, when you do the learned segments, learned facts again and again, but then what happens to your brain? Then the brain realizes the way of identifying, the way of doing these sums properly. That's a basic reason of teaching you these types of doing these types of videos again and again. So don't miss this video. You need to go through this video every time. The lessons, the things, the sums that you learned so far, you need to remember. That's a secret of learning. So go through these videos. Okay, number one is, first of all, you need to pause the video and I will write the question, and I will not uploaded a lesson here. I will not uploaded a here paper. So because of that reason, you need to pause the video and just write down the question and write down the sum, and after that you try to try to get the answer, and after that you check with my answer. Okay, number patterns question I will give you first. This is a number pattern. Given number pattern for you is this: 5 minus 15n. You need to find the first three terms of this number pattern. First three terms. How can you get the first three terms? To be taken the first three terms of this number pattern, the question is find the first three terms of this number pattern. You need to substitute that n equals 1 first, then 15 into 1. Okay, then 5 minus 15 into 1 is 15. 5 minus 15. Yes, what's the answer? 5 minus 15. You've been taught. I have been doing so many segments of this solving these types of relations, these types of expressions. Yes, 5 minus 15 is minus 10. How do you get the second term here? 5 minus 15n. So 5 minus 15 times 2. 15 times 2 is 30. So 50 minus 30 is, just to think of it. Yes, 50 minus 30 is 25, minus 25. So here we are able to get the third term here, substituting that n equals 3. So 5 minus 15 times 3. Yeah, 15 times 3 is 45. So 5 minus 45 is minus 40. These are the terms. First term minus 10, minus 25, minus 45. Yes. Okay. The second question is here binary number question. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. The base is 2. The base is 2. You have to add this sum, right? These values you need to add. So here 1 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1, you know that. What is 1 plus 1? 1 0. The remainder is 1. That's remaining 1 or remainder can be written here. Then after that 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1. That remaining one remainder can be added here. Then 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Then here 1 0. The remainder is 1 here. Then 1 plus 0 1 1 1. This is the answer. Okay. So the third question is fraction question. Half plus 3 fourth divided by 1 minus half. Yes, how can you do this type of one? Really? Think of this. Half plus 3 fourth. How can you do this one? Half plus 3 fourth. First of all, you have to add these two fractions, right? So half plus 3 fourth. Then you need to make the equal denominator. Then here 2. Then you need to multiply. You have to multiply both sides by 2 so as to get 4 here. Then here you could see 4. So 1 times to 2, 2 times to 4, plus 3 4. Now the denominator here 4, here 4. Therefore you are able to add these two. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer of this segment, whole segment, is 5 over 4. 5 over 4 is divided. This is that division, right? Divided. Then after that 1 minus half. Really you are able to get the answer here instantly. How do you do that? So 1 minus half is half. So, from 1 you need to subtract half. Then the answer is half. So, now you need to consider the reciprocal here, right? The reciprocal of 1 second. Then 5 over 4. Now division becomes multiplication. This 2 we write here in this sense. Then 1 here. Now we could simplify that. 1 time 2 times. So 5 into 1 5. 5 over 2. So this can be kept as a mixed number, right? Okay, numerator denominator value is less than the numerator value. Therefore, you could keep this, you could get the answer as a mixed number. So 2, 1 over 2. 5 over 2, you know that. 5 over 2, when you divide this one, then 2 times 4, then 2 and half. This is the answer. 2 and half for 2.5. The other question, just the other question, third one, this is the fourth one. Okay, fourth question is percentage question. You need to, it has, you being given that the commission percentage as 4%, right? When it is sold a certain article, for the broker is paid, then broker is a person who intervenes of selling your goods. Okay, you know about it already, you've been taught about it. So just to think of this one, that you have got a car, then you need to sell that car, then when you are selling that car, then a certain person comes and he helps you to sell your car. Then instead of helping, then he is paid a certain amount of money. That paid amount, it gives us a percentage. This commission percentage, the amount which is paid for that mentioned person is, here 160,000 rupees. Okay, he helps to sell your car. So this is the paid amount for that man, right? So commission percentage is when you sell a certain car, then commission percentage which is paid for that mentioned person is 160,000 rupees. The question is, you need to find the selling price of the car. Okay, selling price of the car. This is a commission which is paid for that person. So 4% means 160,000 rupees. You need to find 100%. How do you do that? You need to get the reciprocal of this 4 over 100. First of all, you need to divide this by 4. The reason of doing that, when you divide this whole value by 4, you are able to get 1% here. Okay, 1%. After getting 1%, that taken amount times 100. Anyway, of using reciprocal of 4 over 100, it multiplies this value. So 1 time 4 here, 16 upon 4 is 4, then 40,000 here, then 40,000 times 100 here. Then how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the selling price of that car is 4 million rupees. Okay, 4 million rupees. Yes. The fifth question is, I'll do algebraic expression question. I will do right now. If you need to multiply here these. You need to multiply these values. Okay, these algebraic expressions, x minus 5 times x plus 3. Yes. How do you multiply? And you could close this 5. Then x into x plus 3 times multiply. The question is multiply, right? X times x plus 3. After that, minus 5 times x plus 3. So x into x, x into 3. X into x, x squared. X into 3, 3x. Here minus into plus minus 5 into x, 5x. Minus into plus minus 5 times 3, 15. So x squared, 3x minus 5x, plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 3x plus 3x minus 5x equals to minus 2x. Okay, so minus 2x, x squared minus 2x minus 15 is the answer. Okay, I'll be doing more sums. Don't forget, you need to keep in touch with these types of videos. The reason is, when you remember the learned segments, learned stuff again and again, what happens eventually, you are able to improve your knowledge of maths. Don't forget it. Don't if you are a newcomer for my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Okay, thanks a lot.